Unveiling the Charm, Understanding Honeymooners Choice. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that often pops up in travel brochures, hotel descriptions, and romantic getaway guides: Honeymooners Choice. This phrase holds a special charm and significance, especially for couples planning their post-wedding travels. So, if you're curious about what makes something a honeymooner's choice, you're in the right place. Let's explore together and uncover the layers behind this enchanting term. Honeymooners choice is a phrase that combines two important words, honeymooners and choice. Honeymooners are couples who have recently gotten married and are on their honeymoon, which is a traditional holiday taken to celebrate their new life together. The word choice refers to the act of choosing or selecting something that is considered the best or most desirable option. When combined, the phrase suggests a place, service, or experience that is particularly popular or well-suited for newlywed couples on their honeymoon. The term honeymooners choice is more than just a marketing tool. It signifies a level of romanticism, privacy, luxury, or uniqueness that honeymooning couples often seek. These choices are typically characterized by their scenic beauty, exceptional service, and the ability to create unforgettable memories. Understanding this phrase helps in identifying destinations or accommodations that are tailored to the needs and desires of couples looking for the perfect romantic getaway. To bring the term to life, let's look at some examples. A honeymooner's choice could be a secluded beach resort known for its breathtaking sunsets and private villas. It could also be a cozy mountain lodge with fireplaces in every room, offering couples a serene and intimate setting. Or, it could be an adventurous safari experience designed for two, creating bonds over thrilling encounters with wildlife. These examples illustrate how varied and personalized honeymooners' choices can be, catering to different tastes and preferences. Making the perfect choice for your honeymoon involves considering several factors. Think about what you and your partner enjoy doing together, whether it's relaxing on a beach, hiking through mountains, or exploring historic cities. Budget is also an important consideration, as well as the level of privacy and the type of experiences you're seeking. Reading reviews and testimonials from other couples can provide valuable insights and help narrow down your options to find that perfect honeymooner's choice. We hope this exploration of honeymooners choice has illuminated the beauty and significance behind the phrase, helping you understand what might make a destination or experience particularly appealing for honeymooners. Whether you're planning your own honeymoon or just love learning about romantic travel options, keep this phrase in mind as a guide to finding those special places that promise to make honeymoon memories last a lifetime. Thank you for joining us today, and we wish all the best to the future honeymooners watching. Until next time, keep exploring and discovering the wonders of the world together.